Hello, welcome. In the next period, we'll see the Euler's theorem. Let m be a positive integer and a be an integer. When the residue of m equal to 1, then a to the power pi m congruent to 1 mod m. Then if p is a prime and p does not divide same, then a to the power p minus 1 congruent to 1 mod p. Second, a to the power pi m minus 1 is an inverse of a modulo m. We take the example, find the reduced residual system modulo m. First example 9, we have to find the numbers which are relatively prime to this 9, which are 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Similarly, 16, the answer is this for 18. And for this 2 to the power m is positive integer. The reduced residual system modulo m is given by 1, 3, 5. So on up to 2 to the power m minus 1. Then we see the definition of the function tau. Let n be a positive integer, then the function tau is defined as tau of n equal to number of positive divisors of n. For example, if n equal to 18, its positive divisors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Therefore, tau of 18 equal to 6. Then we see the next definition, the function sigma. It is defined by the sum of all positive divisors of n. For our example, for n equal to 18, we get sigma of 18 equal to sum of all positive divisors, that is 39. Now tau of n is defined in summation of 1 d divides n, and sigma of n in terms of summation defined as summation d divides n. These are the definitions of the sigma and tau function in terms of summation. If n is multiplicative, then the arithmetic function f of n equal to summation f of t is also multiplicative. Second, the function sigma and tau are multiplicative functions. Third, let p be a prime, then tau of p to the power m equal to m plus 1 and sigma of p to the power m equal to 1 upon p minus 1 into p to the power m plus 1 minus 1. Next, 4. If positive integer n have prime factorization given by this, then tau of n given by this multiplication of factors, which is equal to this product, sign of product from I equal to 1 to m, ai plus 1. Similarly, sigma of n equal to product from I equal to 1 to m, pi to the power ai plus 1 minus 1 divided by pi minus 1. For example, to find tau of 1800, 1800 can be written as 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. Therefore, according to this formula, we have tau of 1800 equal to 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, which is equal to 36. Then we see the definition of the Mobius mu function. Let n be a positive integer, then Mobius mu function is defined as mu of n equal to 1 if n equal to 1, or equal to minus 1 to the power m if n equal to product of primes, distinct primes, and mu of n Mobius function equal to 0 if p square divides n for some prime p. Now some rules. The Mobius function mu is multiplicative. For each positive integer n greater than or equal to 1, summation mu of d equal to 1 if n equal to 1, and summation mu of d equal to 0 if n is greater than 1. The Mobius inversion formula is given by this: f of n equal to summation f of d, then f of n equal to summation mu of d f of n by d, or it is equal to again summation mu of n by d f of d. Then next, if f is a multiplicative function and f of n equal to summation f of d, then f is also multiplicative function. Then fifth, in this summation mu of n by d into tau of d equal to 1, and second summation mu of n by d into sigma of d equal to n for every n greater than or equal to 1. And with this period, this unit is completed, unit 4. Therefore, the syllabus of this paper is completely over. Therefore, practice for objective questions for the coming examination.